So just a quick sharing with you guys. This is Seb's newest invention. He just made it from recycled materials. And this will be our Chook feeder. So he basically took the old pan and an old stainless steel bucket, and yeah, just welded 3 of these into it. So connected the pan with the bucket, and yeah, that's pretty much it. We can now open it. Always put the grain in there, and the chickens will have a nice feeder. They won't mess around as they usually did, and yeah, and this will keep for ages. This is basically done within few minutes. If you cannot weld, you probably could think of something different here. Just screw something in, but that's pretty much all you need. So I really love the idea, that's why I wanted to share it with you. So here, no more mess. It's not very pretty, but it's very functional, and that's what we need. So yeah, hope you liked this video. If you did, please put a thumb up for us and subscribe and hit the bell and check our other videos as well. Thank you guys. Bye.